We're here.
We're at Hobbiton. I'm so excited. There's a Hobbit house. I don't know whose house it is.
Don't eat the fruit, it might not be real.
Elijah Wood. Frodo himself. Just dropped by the wedding and said hi. Yeah. So Gandalf came through here on the horse and cart, and for that reason we actually call this area Gandalf's Cutting. He came through here with Frodo and they rode up in that direction. Yeah, so hobbits love eating, remember? Breakfast, second breakfast, 11th is lunchtime, afternoon tea, supper and dinner as well. So 7 meals a day for hobbits.
This is so cool.
Spot a tree that you think might be artificial. I'll do a countdown. I'll get everyone to point at the same time. So don't point yet. I don't want you to influence anybody else. I want everybody to choose the tree for themselves. So have a look around. See if you can spot that artificial tree, and then I'll do a countdown. I'll get everyone to point. See who's right, who's wrong. I get to be smart, but when I came here as a guest, I didn't know. So no pressure. But everybody has to point. Oh, you don't get your free drink.
Not yet.
Alright, you ready? 3, 2, 1, point. Alright, got one Dylan pointing in the air. We've got some people pointing over here, some people pointing over there. If you're pointing over here, congratulations.
Oh.
Runner up. First runner up. But the correct answer is actually that way. Quite a few of you got it, right?
And here is the fake tree. I got it wrong. I thought that was the fake tree.
This is so great.
That's it. Alright, ready? 3, 2.
No, I'm scared. So you can see the tree up here. Feel free to keep taking photos if there's more inside. Tolkien made that part of this world as well, so the hobbits have to pay window tax based on the number of windows they have. Also, when they came back to do the Hobbit, they made all of Bag End a little bit bigger just to accommodate the new Bilbo, because Martin Freeman, he was 4 inches taller than the original Bilbo. So to be precise, true to his scale, they made the whole of Bag End a little bit bigger. Also, if you're wondering how come Bilbo had such a great house, what was his job? He didn't really have a job per se. He was a man of leisure. He was a landed gentry. So his family were among the first families to the Shire, the Baggin side. They were the aristocrats, and they just kind of claimed the coolest spot. The other side of his family was Took, so he's half Baggins, half Took. The Took side, very curious, mischievous, adventurous. Think of Pippin. And yeah, so that's why he was a little bit split in the middle, and why he woke up that morning with that feeling of just wanting to go on the adventure. Yeah, pretty cool.
This is Bilbo's book. He wrote it like this.
I think I'll join you.
We're laying on a bed in a hobbit hole. A hobbit bed. Oh wait.
The attention to detail is so amazing.
Yeah. Look at the little candle holder.
Yeah, so I'd like to make another section of the house.
Look at the toilet.
Can't sit in the John without having reading material. The Shire Reckoning. Let's see what's going on. Harvest season is open. I can't read the font.
Okay. You don't throw it down the toilet. If you want some Hobbit hot chocolate.
Alright folks, our time's up in this section, so we've got to head to the next part of the house. That's it, so through here. So Batman was like the working class assistant of all. Oh yeah, yeah. So the Hobbit scale.
You're thirsty?
It's around
You can do
that
the
scale.
dishes.
I'll meet you outside and we'll go grab that free grease.
What a great tour.
Yeah.